All right, so here's more information on that big show that is going down June 25th, 2022. It is the Buckeye Classic Car and Bike, also truck show. It's gonna be some crazy things out there. If you sitting on something badass, guys, I suggest you enter into this contest. They are giving away some crazy prize money. Also, don't forget, fellas, hey, if you wanna get your chance to win that 2003 Suzuki GSXR-750, the tickets are $25 or 6 for 100. Imagine winning a bike for 25 bucks. You can't beat it. Hey, fellas, also, don't forget, if you need more information, hit up 1040 ENT Entertainment on Facebook or Instagram. Also, you can leave me a comment. I will definitely get you information. Hey, guys, jump on that GSXR. It's waiting for you to put your touches on it. All right, let's get this day going. Alrighty guys, as you see, it is getting nice outside today. It is about 70 degrees. It is feeling great outside. The temperature is going up, and so is the temperature on this customization. Swing around today. It is a big day, guys. You see, we got the big boxes, the 3 boxes today, which means we're gonna do an unboxing and see what we got. You see the bike back there, so we're gonna get busy today. So first off, we're gonna jump in and catch these boxes and see what's in here. Guys, so we have opened the boxes. Let's see what we've got. Let's check it out. Remember, guys, I am going to drop a link of all the parts we got. Let's check it out first, guys. You see we got that, and I'm going to zoom around, and you see it in the vivid black with the shiny gloss paint job, and that is the luggage rack with the quick detach kit on the back of there that we're going to go with. I was going to go with a tour pack, but I'm going to try this one out, and for aesthetics, you can still actually use it to strap things down on the back, but I've got the bags and I've also got a lot of storage on the bike. So I'm gonna try this for this customization. Again, this is that stealth luggage rack that we're gonna put on the back with that detachable hardware. So let's move to the next one. Guys, as you see right here, I've got that trim piece that's gonna go in the front of the fairing. We're gonna go with that to give it a little bit of flavor, to break up some of that black, to give it some uniformity, to make it look a little bit better. Then the big one here, fellas, we have got, and I'm gonna open this baby up, and you guys can see those stretch bags right there. They are looking really good. They came packaged pretty good. I'm gonna bust them open. Let's do a little bit. I wanna take my time and be careful with these. I don't wanna scratch, but as you can see, wow, look at that, good quality. Paint job looks really good. Let's uncover it and see what it looks. I'll be right back. We're gonna uncover these babies so I can show you the whole thing. All right, I'll be right back. And I am back. Check out these bags. Wow, really, really nice. As you can see, I went with the black on black latches. As you can see there, usually that is chrome, but we went with the black on black to give it that look. Now this here, I'm gonna pop that out eventually, and I'm gonna put something in there a little bit more decorative, or probably just black this out to make it fit the whole bike. Let me know what you think in the comments below, but let's go ahead and check out the rest of the bag. I'm gonna jump it up, and you guys can see that stretch right there. These are the 5-inch bags, and then we're gonna pop on the other side, and these, just to show you, these are the new modern bags that you can quick latch out here. Let's go ahead and open that up. Looks really, really good. And as you can see inside the bag, I don't have a liner or anything yet, but we're gonna really put one in, but it looks really, really clean. Really loving the design of those bags right there. Gonna be excited. I am so excited to put those on. I am back, guys. Check it out. It is looking pretty good. Had to make a few adjustments on those saddlebags, but let's start at the top, fellas. I'm gonna zoom in on that piece that we put in. You see that trim piece right there? That is awesome. It'll give it a nice look. Also, it's got the buttons, the bullet buttons. I call them the bullet buttons. But anyway, guys, you see that that really gave it a little bit, broke up all the black. And as you see, the Daymaker headlight is black with the chrome trim. Come up here with the black with the chrome trim. That gives it a little bit more character. It breaks up all of that black, so it plays off the chrome and the black pretty nicely. So let's swing around And we're gonna check out that stealth rack that we put on. Guys, I am feeling that. Check that out. I'm gonna zoom in on it. Looks really, really good. And then we're gonna back out those bags. Man, looks crazy. Again, I am going to work with these tips here, and I'm going to clean those. Those look pretty good right there, as you can see, but I'm gonna clean them Big Vern style and make it look even crazier. So let me zoom out from it, and I'm gonna walk back up to it. Now see guys, it gives it that nice character from the back, that Cadillac look, that CVO style look with the stretch bags. And I am loving what is going on back here. Guys, also, you didn't see, I updated the lights. I'm gonna show you those when it gets dark, but those look really good, updated on the LED lights from the back as well as the front. To a great day with this build. I am so excited to finish up. I'm going to show you the final mod that we just got finished with. Let's zoom in real quick, guys. You see I replaced those funky lights with the LEDs right there. I'm going to zoom in on there real quick, and I'm going to turn these turn signals on for a sec. And as you can see, I'm going to zoom up on it. Looks really good. You'll really be able to be seen at night, but aesthetically it looks good too. Makes the bike look really beefy back in the back. Definitely. I'm going to turn to the front real quick. Oh, we're going to check out that Harley-Davidson shirt. Nice. All right, let's go in the front. And as you see, it's going to, I illuminated those, and you can see that front amber goes on when it goes to your blinker, and then when it goes back, it goes right back to the white. And you see it on the other side. And then I'm gonna bump them both together, everything with the day maker.
The next day.
This day is going perfect. I am so excited, guys. I just got in the mail, and you see the big box right there. We are about to unbox it. We are about to go up. The channel is on its way up. Guys, the customization is taking a new turn, and we are going all the way. All right, let me show you what's in this box. Check it out. Woo-hoo. Let me know what you think in the comments below. You see that shine is so clean. Ooh, those rotors looking crazy good. Now let's step over in the box. Check it out. Guys, I'm gonna unwrap this in just a second. I wanna show you, but you see it is crazy looking. I'm gonna show you the whole thing. We're gonna pull it out the box. I'll be right back. Out of the box, you see the 21-inch Prodigy wheel. Guys, check that out. I'm gonna zoom around it. Check it out with the machine look. Oh my God, man, crazy. On the low profile Dunlop tire right there, guys. Only spare the best. If you are gonna do it, you might as well do it right. Holy cow, I wish the sun was out today so you guys could see it. But man, it is looking absolutely crazy right there. That 21-inch Prodigy wheel with that Dunlop low profile tire. Look at the treads on there. Oh my God. There is something about seeing those green lines on there, fellas. It gets me hyped up. So, hey, without further delay, we are gonna go ahead and put this on and let you guys see it. All right, so let's get this started Big Vern style. First, you're gonna install the rotors directly to the hub of the wheel. Remember when you're installing to use blue Loctite and not red. The blue will give you the proper grip in case you ever have to take them off. All right, so next up, we're gonna remove the brakes with a 10mm 12-point socket. After you've removed the brakes, here's a quick tip for you. Take some zip ties and zip them to the crash bars. That way you can protect your finish of your bike. Hey fellas, I really hope that you guys are liking the tutorials. I want you to be able to not worry about getting in that garage, changing your front tires, changing those tires out, and doing things on your bike. Guys, it is time to stop paying these mechanics and time for you to get out in that garage. Speaking of that, I've got another thing I want to show you. I think it'll be cool as hell. Check it out. All right, so guys, I was online the other day and I wanted to turn my brakes and put some red calipers on there. So I thought about it and I looked at the prices, and the new brakes with the calipers were $500 at Harley-Davidson. Guys, let me show you what I've done. I stripped off my caliper cover just here and I painted it, and you guys can see, I'm gonna zoom in there so you can see how that took. It took perfect. It looks factory just like that. Let me show you what I used. Used the Rust-Oleum acrylic enamel 2-time coverage. It's the paint and the primer together in that gloss cherry red. That really brings it out, that gloss cherry red. That really makes it look like those sport caliper covers. Guys, check it out for $9 from AutoZone. So let me zoom back in one more time. Check it out. Man, that is gonna really give the bike some pop. After taking the brakes off and untightening the front wheel bolts using the 3/4 and 1/2 drive sockets, you are now ready to jack the bike up to start taking off the fender. I'm going to show you how to make the rim fit perfect. So now it's finally time to take that front wheel off. Using a rubber mallet, I'm going to knock that metal wheel rod all the way through. Once you do that, the tire is going to release and the 2 round metal wheel spacers are going to come out. Make sure you keep them on the correct side. Don't get them mixed up. All right, fellas, so here is a little bit of a one-on-one. I've already taken the wheel off. Now I'm taking off the front fender. As you see these 2 screws right here, they are covered with a flange and it comes over. If you guys can see right here, that was covered over. So what you have to do is you have to take your hammer and a small screwdriver and you have to hit that and unblock those so that the screw is exposed. Once the screw is exposed, you can use your 13mm torque hex nut. And guys, if you have not got a torque set like this, you need to grab one. It will make your life a whole lot easier. So then we're gonna take the 13mm hex nut and we're just gonna break those. As you guys see, I'm gonna take it down, squeeze the fender in, and pull it right out. So now I'm going to modify that fender to fit that 21-inch wheel. I'm going to use a 3/8 drill bit. I'm going to open those holes up. What that's going to do is allow that fender to sit backwards to give that 21-inch wheel enough space so that you'll have no rubbing at high speeds when that wheel expands. That way you'll continue to keep that front fender nice and not mess up that paint job. We are now in the home stretch. Let's get it done, Big Vern style. Damn it, guys, look at that 21-inch wheel right there. Guys, check it out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. But check it out. Let's check that spin. Man, listen, the purpose of this channel is to show you can be creative and create things on your own without having to rely on anyone. Hey guys, check out those red caliper covers. Let me know what you think. It's an inexpensive way to make your bike look great and show that you went that extra mile. Hey, I'm gonna get out of here and put a wrap on today's video. But guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget, if you're in a pickup truck, a car, or a motorcycle, Big Vern's Moto Life's got your back. All right, I'm gonna holler at you guys later. Thanks for watching. Peace.